thing is fast. I can't believe it's going up this hill. So if you haven't watched us build this yet, it's a KTM 50 knockoff engine from eBay, carbureted 2-stroke, and we put it into a $300 Amazon pocket bike, put really cheap eBay mountain bike suspension on it, and a track from Alibaba on the back, and it is so epic right now. Ethan did the vlog earlier. And I'm chasing on my 72-volt Sur-On. That's why you can't hear me. All the sounds are coming from that little pocket bike. Dang! I can't believe how it's going through this terrain. Through the mud, they get so much traction with that track. Sometimes you just gotta get it revved out. It's prone to flooding still. I think it has to do with the cheap carb. The whole engine, carburetor. Oh. And there goes the muffler. It's hot. That was a good send.
Doing this again.
Ah, that was it.
That's what it was doing.
The kill switch, man.
That was hilarious.
I can't believe how fast it rallies through there.
Yeah, it takes some doing. Like it's more of a forearm workout than riding a full-size bike for some reason. That was freaking worked. Maybe it's the position of it.
Yeah, it is a tough position.
Because it's not quite wide enough or far enough forward, so you're just kind of like T-Rex.
This is by far the most stable it's ever been, and it's getting so much traction. Yeah.
Better front tire.
Yeah, a little wider, a little more knobby. We're in business.
Yeah.
We can make a full send video. It's so cool now.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah.